What's up everybody, Tommy Cassano here in Yosemite National Park. Your outdoor body workout. Today we're doing full body, legs focus. This is going to be a burner. I'm so happy to be here. It's stunning. It's morning time. The birds are chirping. We got Half Dome over there. We got the falls over here. We have beautiful scenery. We're doing left side first, 45 seconds, 5 exercises. And then we're going 15 into a high intense cardio. And then the last 5 minutes, we're switching over to the right side. This is gonna be a burner. I'm telling you, stay with me, stay strong. When it burns, you go harder. All right, we're gonna start it off. We're gonna go 45 seconds. Everything's on the left side first. So we're gonna be in a squat hold right here, and we're gonna be doing L taps on the right side. All right, so stay with me. I'm gonna coach you through it. We're gonna go hard. We're gonna sweat. We're gonna get this workout in right now. Here we go. So left leg, bending down, squeezing that glute in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So you're gonna tap back, bring the leg up, and tap out. So tap, 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 tap. Coming back here, see, boom. So you're squeezing that glute the whole time, making a little bit of an L shape with the right leg. Let's go. We got 45 seconds. It should be burning by now. Then we're going right into that high knees. Let's go. 15 seconds. Whoo! We're up in Yosemite. Temple of Granite here in the Sierras. If you haven't been here, you are missing out, but guess what? You're working out with me right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. High knees. Get them up. Get them up. Let's go. Next one, we are getting into double curtsy, reverse lunge in 3, 2, 1. All right. So once again, left leg. We're gonna go right here and then reverse. So left leg is static, then reverse. Here we go. 1, 2, reverse. Let's get it. 1, 2, then reverse. Woo! 1, 2, curtsy, then reverse. 1, 2, curtsy, then reverse. 1, 2, curtsy, then reverse. Let's get it. 2, curtsy. Right here in this angle. 1, 2, reverse. 1, 2, reverse. Let's go. High knees. I know it's burning. Let's get it, baby. 10 seconds. Let's go. Come on. 2 pump lunge jump now. 2, 1. So left leg once again. 1, 2, straight up. All right. So 1, 2, straight up. Really load it. 2, straight up. 1, 2, straight up. Woo! 1, 2, straight up. 1, 2, straight up. 1, 2, straight up. 1, 2, straight up. 10 seconds. Stay with me. Come on. 1, 2, straight up. 1, 2, straight up. Let's go. High knees. Stay with me. Woo! What's up, Yosemite? Let's get it. Falls are gushing right now. 1. So we're going side lunge, high knee. Side lunge, crunch. Let's go. Crunch. Let's get it. Crunch. Woo! Crunch it up. Let's go. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Let's get it. 5 seconds. 2, 1, high knees. Let's go. Next, we're closing off with animal stance leg curls. Ooh, 2, 1, here we go. Animal stance, left leg, straight out, curl, lock out. That's it. Curl, lock out. If that's too much, you can always put your knee down and curl just like this. Once again, advance right here. Let's go. Hold that core tight. 15 seconds. Ooh. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High knee. Let's go. Closing out. First round on the left side. Next we got our right side. Ooh. Here we go. So bending down on the right, we got tap, tap, tap. Remember, in a half squat on that right, or full, depending on your range of motion. Squeezing those glutes. Woo! It's burning, baby. Let's go. 15 seconds. Let's get it. Our cardio is mountain climbers now. 15 seconds. 10. 2, 1. Here we go. Mountain climbers. Let's get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have our 2 pump currency right here. 1, 2, reverse lunge. 1, 2, reverse lunge. 1, 2, reverse lunge. Ooh, right side starting to burn. Let's go. 1, 2, reverse lunge. Let's get it. 1, 2, reverse lunge. Getting wild out here in Yosemite. Come on. Reverse lunge. 1, 2, reverse lunge. Here we go. 1, 2, reverse lunge. One more. 1, 2, reverse lunge. Mountain climbers. Let's get it. Come on. We got our 2 lunge pump squat, lunge jump. Let's go. 2, 1. Here we go. Right leg forward. 1, 2. Jumping up. Let's go. 1, 2. Jump. 1, 2. Straight up. Stay with me. 1. Straight up. 1, 2. Woo! 1, 2. Let's get it. 2. 1, 2. Woo! Come on. Let's get it. One more. Woo. Mountain climbers. Woo. Let's go. Come on, Yosemite. Get in that outdoor body. Let's get it. 2, 1. Here we go. We got that side lunge. Hitting that side lunge. Right? Side lunge. Up top. Side lunge. Let's go. Straight up, right side. Hit the left for a second. It's not good. Let's go. Up. Up. Let's go. Come on. Up. Woo. Up. 2, 1. Mountain climbers, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Staying in that animal stance right here. Leg curl. You can always go down on the knee if you need to. Challenge yourself. Let's get it. 10 minutes non-stop. We're on our last minute, and then you do it all again. Round 2. Come on. Squeezing that glute, keeping the core tight. Come on. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Mountain climbers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That is your 10-minute full body leg focus workout here in Yosemite. Remember, you can do it 2 times. You can even do it 3 times right in a row. Repeat it. Challenge yourself each and every time. Mobility before, stretching after. Thank you for joining me in Yosemite National Park. You got to come visit. This place is absolutely stunning here in the Sierras. See you next time for Outdoor Body Workout. Let's get it. Let's get wild.